Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again now on the gold market. So here you could see that market is keep going higher. So initially we thought that maybe once market will reach the XOP around 1970, it could stop and start downside reaction. Now you can see that market is going to the better harmony with the previous performance, with these previous swings. And as we have agreed to take a look at the possible reverse head and shoulders here, so we could say that market right now is actually coming to the potential neckline. But also let's take a look, this is natural support resistance area. So first it was support right here, it's breakout resistance. Now it's once again will be resistance. Also it's accompanied with the fib level 1988, it's right there. So here's since we haven't got any reaction 1970, logical to wait and see what will happen around this level. It's around 1988 and some reaction, and hopefully we will get this head and shoulders pattern with the right arm, as we said, around 1930. If we will see different action, for instance fast upside acceleration and no head and shoulders performance, this will be strongly bullish, and it will be the first sign that market currently could fall into the previous top, and this might be the continuation of this one. So it's a lot of will depend on what will happen around this area. So as you could see, our suggestion on a pullback from the weekly strong support area, it's accelerating and it's becoming faster, although in the beginning it was really anemic performance. So we will see what will happen. Mostly here you could see that divergence that we've got also is completed. It's just because market has tested the top between the bottoms. So here's it also exceeded, and this divergence is completed already. Currently, not many things that we could do. So if we'll take a look at the fall time frame chart, XOP has been exceeded. Is by the way, here's a great example of what could happen if you are not waiting for a taking, if you intend for taking the short position, as we said, and you do not wait for patterns and just taking position blindly just because market at the resistance or some target. So you could see what really could happen. That's why every time we have to take a look at the overall major tendency. And if you have this kind of tendency, very fast upward acceleration here, you have to wait for clear patterns if you would like to take the counter trend trade. So if you would like to take the position against the major tendency. And if you do not do this, you could be in a situation like here. So for instance, if you take position directly at 1970 now, you probably could get this type of action against you because patterns had not been formed yet. And that's why every time when we talk about this, we call for waiting for patterns before position taking. Now, actually, you could see that probably the only pattern that we could consider here is a kind of head and shoulders. Minor head and shoulders if reaction will happen. Something of that sort we have to wait if we would like to take the position. On our chart, we do not have something really interesting, except maybe this kind of the divergence here. So now is forming on the follow FM chart. The same divergence is not confirmed yet, just because here you do not have the crossing on the lines yet in MACD. And in fact, it's only the single option exists. Either we get this pattern, or market will just break the 1980, 1990 areas, just breaking up, and it means that we are going for further. In this case, our tactic will change drastically. We just will be watching for some pullback, some retracement for taking the long position. So that's what we have on gold market, and let's see what will happen.